What's up guys? This is Bambi from Dico City, VIP member of a legit platform Discount Together. Flex lang po namin guys yung napanalunan namin sa Discount Together, which is air fryer product. Napaka-authentic, napakaganda, talagang napaka-legit na platform guys. Kaya sana gusto po namin manalo tayong lahat kung pwede lang. Pero paano po tayo mananalo kung hindi tayo sumasali? Araw-araw akong nagwi-withdraw. Halos araw-araw talaga. At saka guys, si Discount Together ay hindi lang daily income